Ever wondered how the top tier entrepreneurs turn credit repair into a $1 million venture? In this video, we'll be uncovering the closely guarded secrets behind systemizing your way to a $1 million credit repair business. This exclusive behind the scenes journey, we're unraveling this approach that transforms ordinary businesses into financial powerhouses. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up because we got a ton of valuable content coming your way. First thing you need to understand before I teach you guys the framework we use to scale credit repair businesses is that you need a profitable credit repair funnel. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner entrepreneur in the credit repair space, I'm going to dive into my computer and show you exactly how it works.
So what is a credit repair funnel? Credit repair funnel is a systematic process to take people step by step through a funnel, meaning that you want them to do A, B, C, D, and E. The difference between a credit repair funnel and a website is that you can't control where they go on a website. You can't control the process. You always want to control the process, where they want to go. 5 key components to creating a successful credit repair funnel. Number one, you need a high ticket credit repair offer. You need to sell your services for $750 to $1,800. You need a high converting ads. You need a high converting funnels and automation. You need an appointment setter and you need a closer. Understand that this whole process is so that you work on the business and not in the business. By the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get our converting ads, our converting funnels and automations, also how to get ready to go appointment setters at the end of the video. So stay until the end of the video so you can learn exactly how you can get access to that for your credit repair business. So number one is you're going to be running Facebook and Instagram ads. For this example, the step-by-step process that we take a stranger into a customer. Referrals are awesome. Don't get it. Okay, so also here's a caveat to this. Here's also a reminder. A lot of you guys are relying on referrals, friends, family, things of that nature. But the thing is, it's unpredictable, it's inconsistent, and it's unscalable. Our goal is to create you a $1 million credit repair business that is scalable and that is automated. Okay. So with referrals, it's not consistent, it's not predictable, and it's not scalable. All right. So number one is Facebook ads. So what we do here is we run Facebook ads inside Facebook. So we create a Facebook ad campaign. You need to create a Facebook ad campaign. You get the name, number, email with the Facebook form. After you get the name, number, email, you qualify them more where they fill out a survey. Then once they fill out a survey, you get the appointment setter team to call them so that they can enroll themselves in a dollar trial of credit monitoring. Now, what's cool about this is that when they enroll themselves in a credit monitoring, whether it's Identity IQ, Smart Credit, or any of the variety of different credit monitoring softwares, you actually get $25. It's an affiliate link. So $25 go to your bank account. Once they do that, then you get them to schedule an appointment. Then you get on the phone and you close them. That's it. This is the simple framework that you should be doing in your credit repair company. Here's a quick example. Let's say that we're running Facebook ad, we get 200 visitors. So that means 200 people go on this Facebook form and become lead. 200 visitors, this page on average should convert at 60%, meaning that 60% of people from your Facebook ads that come here will put in their name, number, and email. After they put in their name, number, email, 60% will come over here and fill out the survey. 40% of those people will fill out that survey. All right. That means they're getting more qualified. They're getting more hired. You're filtering out the leads as far as low quality to the best quality so that you can sell them on a high ticket credit repair offer. In the Facebook ad, you need to have a ad that's attracting high ticket buyers. It's hard to get broke people to buy high ticket things. I'm going to show you, you'll have access to the resources to get those. After 40% people fill out the survey, you're going to get 20% of the people that answer to actually give you $1 for the credit monitor. So that's only 9 people. Out of those 9 people, they're going to schedule an appointment. 90% of people that pay $1 for credit monitoring will show up to the appointment. Out of those 9 people, depending on how good your closer should be closing at 20%, boom, you just made $1,800, right? So this is how this initially works, right? This is how your sales process should be structured in your credit repair business. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the fuck am I going to do with $1,800? Like, what is that? Now, This is what most people will do. Actually, most people won't even do this. Okay? I'm gonna be clear. Most people aren't doing this at all. They don't know anything about this. Let me share with you guys what we do for our clients, right? Scenario two. So the thing is the same scenario. Let's say the same 200 people, they come in. 60% of those people will opt in. So that means we got 120 leads. 40% of people, just like I told you from before, will do this whole phase. But what most people don't do, and it's the number one thing to do, is follow up. That's why you're paying appointment setters. The people that don't do the survey, you need to follow up with them for 14 days straight, every day, text messages, emails. We have automations, emails, text message sequence. We have a whole automation sequence to make sure that they're following up. So now 20% of those people that didn't do a survey are going to go into this funnel, which is the credit monitoring. Again, right? So I want you to understand that just up front, without even closing people, making 225 from the back end, 1300 you make about 1,300 on the back end from following up, 200 just in general from the original funnel. The key part of this is that you do not book them appointment until they pay the dollar. All right. Now, as you see right here, what's going to happen is you're going to get 47 people to schedule appointment for following up. You'll have your 8 people that scheduled appointment without you doing anything at all. And then your closer is going to have a total of 55 of consultations that he's going to be closing on a 750 to $1,800 package, which is $19,000 at the end of the month. This is so simple. Now, what's cool about this is when you know your numbers, all you have to do is optimize this funnel. So, for example, maybe you just need to increase your sales rate, or if you can increase your sales rate, maybe you just need to get more traffic. For example, instead of 200 people for the month, let's say it's 500 people for the month. You just increase your Facebook ads. You have $19,000, you can increase your Facebook ads, guys. Okay? So check this out. Simulate. Bam. Now, I know you're thinking also, well, how much is this going to cost? Well, it gives you an example of how much it costs. So you spend $2,316 and you make in profit $52,000. Okay? Now, how do we do this? Very simple. Now, instead of 200 people, put 500 people in this funnel. It goes through here, comes through here, and it's just the same thing. The reason we're able to get these numbers consistently every time is because over 6 years helping over 100 credit repair companies and spending $1 million in Facebook ads, we've already created a proven Facebook ad. We created proven funnels. We created proven appointment setting script along with coaching credit repair clients on how to close high ticket. I'm sorry. I know y'all guys wanted something complicated. With that being said, a lot of the questions people ask is how much money should you spend on your Facebook ads? Well, it says it right here, 2 grand to make that. You can actually use the software called GERU Guru, and I can also give you this funnel so that you can map out your process and really understand how much money you should be spending on Facebook ads. You're going to spend at least $1.37 cost per click, might go to $2, but on average $1.36 37 cents. Put in how many visitors that you want to get, and it's going to generate how much the traffic is going to actually cost you. So to get that, it's going to be $2,315. The secret is that you got to know how to close, and you got to have a process. What this whole process is doing is qualifying the lead so that they're serious people. So you're not talking to bullshitters. You're not talking to people that's not serious about getting their credit fixed because they're qualifying themselves so much. They got to do a survey. They have to answer the phone and invest a dollar. Then they have to schedule appointments. So understand that when someone goes through all this, they're serious about getting their credit repaired. Okay. Not only that, the way we're doing the targeting is we're targeting high ticket credit repair buyers. Now, with that being said, so if you want to know if you want to know the funnels we use, the automations we use, if you the ads, the automation, the software, if you want everything like that, I've created a 4-day action plan for credit repair business owners. Inside that 4-day action plan, you're able to download all of my proven funnels, all of my proven Facebook ads, everything I have to create this so that you don't have to think about it, so that you don't have to spend millions of dollars to get the same results as we have here. It's just plug and play. Okay. And That's for anyone that wants to get that themselves. But if you're already making 20, 30, $40,000 a month and you want someone to create and manage your entire Facebook ad campaign, we're actually going to build out the entire process for you in less than 72 hours. So instead of you doing it yourself, we're going to install our trained appointment setters in for you that follows up and qualify the leads before you ever talk to them. And also, we're going to coach you on how to sell high ticket credit repair. If you want that, click on the link below, schedule appointment. If you want to learn how to do it yourself, join the 4-day credit repair growth accelerator action plan, which I'll have the link below. And don't forget to hit the notification button, okay?